he's gonna get it that way.
Oh, Rodney, the cable. You need to lay it over there. Lay it sideways like this over there. Así como le hizo Toño, le hacemos uno allá y lo cortamos todo. There you go, there you go. Bring it in and lay it sideways. Go ahead, do it. You got it. You can see it.
That's a big fucking piece of wood, brother.
Oh, yes, sir.
That shit is huge, man.
You ain't fucking lying.
That'd fucking smash a human being like it's not even there.
One of these would just bury him.
Yeah.
Bring it this way.
I mean, that's gotta be every bit of about 8,000 pounds.
I would.
It's full of water,
Oh,
you know?
yeah. Well, green, I got a green chart, and that green chart tells you what it is from the diameter by the foot.
Ah, look at that. It's lifting the freaking leg over there on the outrigger a little bit.
He doesn't need to boom down. He needs the fucking cable down, man. I don't understand that.
That's all right. Fuck.
Beautiful.
Let me do my job, dog. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, we have to reposition. Okay?
For that?
The cable.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got to get that cable.
We'll get the cable loose and...
Yes, and get it down low if we can.
We can get it up or get it up higher.
Well, he's
No.
gonna scream.
Yeah.
He'll scream.